I'm Bill Bassett, and today we're looking at a club environment, particularly the poker machine area, to just look for what are the typical ATP levels that we will get. And we tested the 10 machines behind me and had probably an average reading of about 400. Now this is after the club has cleaned them the night before or during the day. And we've tested them two different ways this morning. After that they've cleaned them in the first place, we tested them with a normal disposable cloth and a quat-based disinfectant, and we tested 5 of them with a disposable microfiber cloth. Now generally, as the cloths became drier, the machines have a little bit of heat in them, particularly the screens. Generally, as the cloths became drier and we were only cleaning 5 machines with one cloth, the readings were better, showing us that the over wet cloths are typically our problem. The disposable microfiber did reduce twice as much as the cheaper disposable cloth, but even with the cheaper disposable cloth, when it was wet first, it had higher readings. As it dried a little bit, it was better readings as well. So again, showing us that over wet cloths or using visibly dirty or cloths you've used before is going to be where you've got the problem.